Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable automatic system updates on Mac Air. And to do this we'll need to open our general settings and enter software updates. Here click on the info next to automatic updates and you can choose what actions will be performed automatically. So check for updates, disable it. You will also need to enter your password for each of the action, download new updates when available, install Mac OS updates, install applications updates from App Store, and install security responses and system files. You can enable or disable these automatic actions however you like. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.